Okay, so we're working on a water damage restoration job here in a local house of worship. It happens to be my house of worship. And we got called in here after a major franchise was called in to clean up the water damage in this place. And unfortunately, they were doing everything wrong. The containment was a mess. They pulled down a bunch of ceiling that could have been cut a little bit nicer. Also, an untrained technician who had been on the job for just 2 weeks decided to cut through some vinyl composite tile and some linoleum that was underneath it, possibly exposing, well, the mastic underneath it, which was holding the tile down. The danger with that is he could have exposed the whole building to asbestos. So luckily that got tested, and we're just very lucky that it tested negative. So first thing we did, we came in with our PPE gear, and we went ahead and sealed that spot down to mitigate any damage that the previous company had caused. We're set up brand new containment, which I'll be sealing up here with a zip wall. We got an E-test unit. We'll be setting up several fans, and just doing some cleanup here. We got our HEPA vac here to clean up. You can see that there's a whole bunch of area where the drywall got ripped out and is exposed. That's all going to be repaired after this secondary water leak caused by a water line is fixed. Then that'll all be taken care of there. Got a bunch of our tools here. Got our workers working in here cleaning up this kitchen area, again where the ceiling basically collapsed and came down. We've got negative air machine over there pumping air out through a HEPA filter, and then to outside. Phoenix dehumidifier. Ryan's in here cleaning up some of the muck and the grime from a kitchen. Now, kitchens are typically nasty anyways, just from use, and that just happens. So we're just making sure we clean everything up. Going to use some Decon 30. Go ahead and clean up any microbial stuff that could have fallen from the ceiling through the drywall. Got another dehumidifier working over there. John's putting in some inspection pins so we can get some moisture readings deeper into the wood. So we can find out whether it's truly dry or just appears dry on the surface. So that's some of the work we're doing here today for water damage restoration for HydroClean. If you got any questions, give us a call or check us out at hydrocleaninc.com, or call me at 594-9376. We'll be happy to share what we can do for you or answer any questions you might have. Give us a call. We want to be your cleaner and your restoration company for life. Thanks a lot.